Hello, my name is Sergey Koltinov. I am the head of iXSOUND company. Now let me tell you about our system, which improves and makes the sound of your car individual. We're in the car tuning business for a long time, and we know that the sound of a car isn't less important than appearance. But the similar tuning solutions had a lot of flaws, and we decided to create our own system, iXSOUND, using only the best and high quality components, to make it with no flaws that the others have. And we've achieved our goal. First, our system is easy to install. You don't need the welding and additional support brackets. Second, our system knows no overload and overheating, unlike the alternatives that turns off at high speed. Third, now it's easier to adjust the sound. You only need to move sliders in a mobile application. And fourth, you always can listen to it on your car before installing. Also, we don't interfere with any system on a car, keeping a factory warranty. Besides, you can install the system on any other car if you change it, and the cost of all this is 30% lower than the cost of alternatives. This was achieved by optimization and unification for all car models. iXSOUND is: these are speakers 40 by 12 in aluminum body, which has high quality speakers inside. A speaker is lightweight, so you don't need power fasteners. The surface is covered by Raptor protective layer, which provides longevity even in harsh conditions. You can choose a kit with both one speaker if you have a quiet gasoline car, or with two speakers for a loud and powerful diesel. This is external sound model, produced for sport cars, Porsche and Audi. It's used in all types of such systems. And this is a control block of iXSOUND system. It reads information from onboard system of a car and provides a link with the mobile application. And these are cables that connected it all together. Everything is connected easily until you click. And this is an informative booklet, which contains a description and instructions. There are also a warranty card for the system in it, 2-year warranty.